And for the record, my name is Melissa Hornbein. I am a staff attorney with the Western Environmental Law Center. And I would like to thank all of you for making this opportunity possible and creating this opportunity for public engagement. I do want to point out that this public engagement process is not necessary for DEQ to do its job and resume analyzing greenhouse gas and climate impacts in its environmental analyses and EISs. It knows how to do this, it has the information available to do this, and it can do it. I would also like to push back against the idea that MEPA is a purely procedural statute and that procedural equates to meaningless when it comes to the permitting process. An adequate MEPA analysis is critically important and it is a prerequisite to getting a permit issued. So you simply can't separate those two things, and I would urge DEQ not to continue to do so. More importantly, I think that it's very clear from the fact that the legislature explicitly amended MEPA in 2003 to recognize that MEPA serves a critical role in protecting our environmental constitutional rights under Article 9, Section 2 of the Montana Constitution. It made that language explicit, and that role, the importance of that role is not just to inform the public, it is to inform the agency about the consequences of its actions before it makes irreversible and irretrievable commitments of state resources in a manner that oftentimes cannot be undone. And that's certainly the case with greenhouse gas emissions. DEQ conducted greenhouse gas analyses prior to the 2011 MEPA amendment. It knows how to do this. To the extent that it has fallen behind the times, there is a wealth of information available at the federal level for how to conduct analyses and what tools such as carbon budgeting and social cost metrics are available for conducting those analyses. So I would urge DEQ to comply with the First Judicial District Court's order and begin conducting those analyses while it conducts these public outreach efforts as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Hornbein.